ladies.
Ladies.
This is your Tinder profile right here, go.
It's just Luke and that's it.
Alright, what are you good at?
Sex?
No. Bro's a virgin, by the way. He's not good at nothing. What are you actually good at?
Driving a car. Nothing, honestly.
I can drive a car pretty good. Dante doesn't like anyone under 100 kilos. None of business.
I don't know.
You need to stand on a treadmill.
Wow.
Look, mate, you still got about the size of my cock.
No. 20 inches.
Get on the end of it as well.
Alright,
wait. Sure.
No, mate, loosen it. Sorry, bro.
Get it. My daddy. Oh shit, sorry. Oh. I didn't. Lying.
Bro just took a photo. Are you like chasing it? Point it.
I'm gonna scrape
Talk
hard,
shit. Just talk shit. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the YouTube video. In today's episode we have...
Yes, you lock your car.
Do you know your lefts and rights, mate?
Yeah, that's tough.
No.
Bro, try to ignore it.
It's not going anywhere.
Yes, it is.
Cross-threaded, John.
You're tining it now, mate. Good job. You got a case? Yeah, bro. It's got the microphone on the first ever one. Doesn't help when this one's on the fucking Pierce cards.
Hey, don't look at it.
Alright. Someone got a card?
Grab that.
Do you have a card?
My eyes are fucked, bro.
Don't get Luke till he can't do anything straight.
Oh yeah, funny, yeah.
No, yeah, funny comment, yeah.
No, fucking long.
Jonathan?
No, fuck off, get your own.
I'm gonna come.
Oh, satisfying.
Rocky's the first one ever.
Fuck yeah.
Give me the card.
Penis.
It's like I bought one.
Fortnite. We are going to go take some photos. Maybe kiss. Fuck, it's hot up here. Yeah, photos and I don't know, maybe some more photos. Fuck, that's a bad habit. I always put the SD card in my computer. The amount of times I've forgotten it. Bring it back.
He's not even fucking coming with us. He's not even fucking coming with us. Can you get a pub feed, please? I want a pub.
Fine, I'll take a couple photos here. Oh my god. Is that a poop troll? Pooey? Yeah!
Don't record me, please.
Don't call me please.
No, don't.
Holy fuck, it's bright.
The recorder I was recording. Okay, so we've gone off in that car, right? So, should we talk about my weekend? Or my week,
We'll talk about our week.
Our week together.
Not John's week.
John's week was just fixing
the same
tyres,
every day,
right? Just the same old bullshit that he does every single day, right? So, me and Luke's week was pretty good because we only worked a 4-day week this week, and it was okay, right? But
we worked together on a Friday, and it was kind of funny because we were working with this girl and she doesn't really know how to drive. So we were up in these forest bits and she was on like this, like what, four wheels? Yeah, 4 wheels. And then when we were driving around, do you want to put your input on this one? So we were driving around, right?
She kind of reversed into a tree. So obviously the right thing to do, me and Luke saw it and started laughing, right? That's just what you should do, right? There's some girls that I've been talking to, right? And they, I don't know if they want me or they don't want me, but all I really want is this cutie. This cutie. And then he can't say anything about my attraction, and that's bigger girls, right? And I like bigger girls because I don't like skinny bitches, right? I just skinny bitches with the bones hanging out. I don't like that, you know. No tits, no ass. I don't like that, you know. But if John has like has a fetish for cars, that means like that's 1 ton.
Yeah, it's just
right?
like,
That's
it's
way
a very
more.
big girl.
That's very big on what he likes, you know. So I just think it's not really fair for him to bully me for me liking 100 kg girls sometimes. That's girl I'll go with. What do you think her rating was?
Rating or weight?
Weight. She's not gonna watch this video. I'm not gonna say. Don't say names. So don't.
120?
120? No way. I think my last girl
No,
I got
95.
with. Nah, I think she was like 80.
No.
I think she was 80 at least.
I'm 80.
Okay, John, that last bit, cut that out, yeah? But it doesn't matter, man. John's gonna fast forward this whole thing, right?
Yeah.
But I think, John, you need to leave this in the video because it's funny.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? This whole thing is just jokes, you know?
Can we take it from the start? My thoughts an empty lie. Take a token from my heart, falling like a sped up sound. I come up and do it again. Room feels like an empty skull. Oh, maybe I'm wasted. Slow down, Sonny. Nothing's gonna make it.
Look at that little bitch. Look at him.
You got a little fucking
Look, let's get some food, guys. Come on.
We are going to jail.
You need to watch our little vlog we made. Me and Dante.
Ah!
You might not agree with it though.
One. Oh, so it's about me.
Maybe.
And
Crystal meeting us out?
Huh?
Is Crystal coming?
Yeah.
Because we gotta leave at like 3, half 3.
So Dante's in the shit list. You want to tell him why, Luke?
why? Because I had sex.
Because we went to a gay fucking bar.
And guess what, guys? I had sex. So
With a guy?
Well, I had sex. So
With a whale. She was 300 kilos. Anyways,
I hope you fucking watch the recording.
for a little fucking little cup, for a little cup, I don't give a fuck. For a little cup, vodka Red Bull, $15. Give me a kiss on my.
Do you drink though or not?
Me?
Yeah.
No, I didn't.
Sure, go straight to your fucking belly.
Well, it doesn't go to your brain, does it, cunt? You don't have one
It
left.
goes to his heart.
Nah.
Goes to your fucking hairline, obviously.
I'm driving.
Anyways, we're not fucking doing what Dante asked again. Fuck Perth, fuck the court, and fuck the Mustang.
Oh, fuck your mum. Sorry.
Yeah. What the fuck is this talking about? I'm throwing cars about one, two. How about that?
Dollar 7 digits, call up Bridget, her man's a midget. Plus she got fringe, yo, I can dig it. Here's a 40 swigget, you know it's frigid. I got him chillin' in the cooler, break out the ruler. Damn, that's the fattest dog I ever seen. The weather's keen in Cali, getting weed, it makes it feel like Maui. Now we feel the good vibrations. So many females, so much inspiration. I get inspired by the blunts too. I'll front you. If you hang with a bunk crew, I roam the strip for bones to pick. When I find one, I'm gonna take her home and quickly do this. I need not explain this.
fresh batch of stickers. Some of them have already gone out.
What do you think?
I don't know, why? Maybe on the rear. Let's have a look.
But with the gold in the background.
I reckon lower, but I reckon like middle.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you reckon? Or do you reckon high? I'd have gone high.
Yeah, we'll go high. I'm just wondering how you're going.
You good?
I'm fucking struggling over here, cunt.
I know you
I know. Alright, yeah, that would do.
that would do.
Oh, stuck to the wall, cunt.
It's just a rat cut. What the fuck?
She was on there, aren't they, boys?
I think we even moved it that much, cunt. Oh. Mostly done now. Cleaning the missus' car. Calling it a day.
John's a fucking dickhead. It says it's flat, but it's got 6% left.
It's flat. Oh.
Oh